Welcome to week 17, assignment 1. It is our last assignment in Word. After the first of the year, we will come back and be learning PowerPoint. So what you're going to be doing is using some more templates than what we used last week. And you are going to be creating a calendar. So this week, it's not so much about technical ability. Yes, you're using a template, you have to find it, but it is going to be about creativity and completeness. So to get there, you need to go to the SSO, Office 365, click on Word, go to More Templates, go all the way to the bottom to say Explore All Templates. Make sure that Word is selected on the left-hand side. And then you need to scroll down a little bit, and it's called Snapshot Calendar. Now when you click it, it's going to show you a thumbnail of what it looks like. It's going to say download, and it's going to say edit in browser. Most of the templates that are on here are to be used with the downloaded version of Word. So if you click on one of those templates and it only says download and you do not have the downloaded version, you can't use that template. You have to go back and you have to find one that says edit in browser. So we're going to click edit in browser. And in here you can change the color if you want. You can change the font. I want you to add a subtitle that has something to do with that month. So it could be, this is my birthday month, or Martin Luther King holiday. You need to have some kind of event that is happening in that month that is personal to you. So you need to come up and write whatever it is. So I'm going to put my birthday month. So you have to have a title, and you have to have a month, you have to have a year, you have to have a subtitle. You may or may not, I do not care if you write on this title and stuff, but if you do not write in it, I need you to select it and delete it. But now look what happens to our picture when that happens. It moves from the right hand all the way to the left hand. So what I want you to do is it needs to either be center aligned or right aligned, whichever one you like better. Okay, then the last thing you need to do is you would have to right click on top of it and go to change picture, and then I'm going to put in my birthday, and I should get some things. So this is the one I want to switch it to. I'm going to go ahead and delete the caption, and I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to put a frame around it of some kind. Alright, then once you have this done, you go down here and you do the same thing for February. February might be Valentine's Day, or it could be your mom or your sister or your grandma's birthday, your best friend's birthday, whatever it is. And then whatever this subtitle is needs to have a picture that is related to it. As I told you, this is about completeness and creativity. It is not about the technical aspects like some of our other assignments. When you're done, you save it and turn it in to me and submit it on the Schoology. And if you have any problems or questions, please message me and let me know.